Strikethrough text is a great way to show edits, highlight points, or create a unique design. If you are using Canva on your desktop, you can strike through text in just few clicks. And this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open Canva on your desktop and log in. Then start a new project or open an existing one. Once you have opened your new project, go to the left sidebar and click the text tool and add a text box. Now adjust the text size so it's easy to see. In the next step, click on the text box to highlight the text. Now look at the top toolbar for S with a line through it, or an option labeled Strike Through. Press the Strike Through button and your text will have a line through it. If you don't want to strike through the entire text, click and drag to select only the word or words you want to strike through, and then click the Strike Through button and only the selected word or words will be affected. Using Strike Through in Canva is easy and quick. Whether you are editing text or adding style to your design, this feature helps you create eye-catching content. So, I hope you found this video tutorial helpful, and if you want, like the video or subscribe to the channel for more tutorials about Canva.